People stop doing things because they're afraid of how others might think or judge. But the truth is, no one is thinking about you as much as you do. Today I'm going to explain you how to stop caring, overthinking, and finally how to start living life on your own terms. Psychologists, they call it the spotlight effect. We often think that others are constantly watching us, judging us, and analyzing us. But the reality is, people are too busy doing their own things and thinking about themselves. Your mistake is forgotten in a second. Believe it or not, people care less than what you think. So next time, when you decide to do something and you start overthinking, remind yourself, people, they care less than what you think. They are too busy in their own world. This moment, no one remembers it as much as you do. Other people's judgment is not about you. It's often reflection of their insecurities, fears, and personal experiences. When you realize it, you stop overthinking and taking it personally. So next time, when someone's opinion gets in your head and you start overthinking, ask yourself, is it about me or is it about their point of view and their personal experiences? And 90% of the time, it's not about you. So stop judging yourself and overthinking about others' judgment. They forget it immediately. They go back to their life. The only person will be stuck on this overthinking and analyzing is you. So stop doing it. Imagine yourself as 80 years old looking back on life. Do you want to regret to not take action because of other people's opinion? You're 80 years old, doesn't care about other people's opinion, but cares about your choices. So next time, when you have to do something, just ask yourself, would my 80 years old self be proud of my choices and actions? If the answer is yes, do it. Remember, you have only one life to live. Do you want to let other people's opinion and judgment control it? Think about one thing that you wanted to do desperately, and you were thinking that it can add something to your life, and you have been avoiding it because of other people's opinion and fear of their judgment. Do it. Exchange of opinion with people that you really trust is very good, but remind yourself the final decision is yours. I'm going to put in a description a link to a book that changed my life and helped me to finally stop judging myself based on other people's opinion and start to live my life on my own terms. The courage of being disliked. Until next week, happy reading.